The 18th dynasty of Egypt, which marks the beginning of the New Kingdom, was a period of remarkable prosperity. The foundation of this era was laid by Queen Hatshepsut, a female pharaoh whose mortuary temple is inscribed with her many achievements. Hello everyone, I am Yasumasa Ichikawa, CTO of the World Scan Project. Today I would like to introduce the mortuary temple of Hatshepsut, built at Deir el-Bahari on the west bank of Luxor, Egypt. The mortuary temple of Hatshepsut was built at the foot of the cliffs on the eastern side of the Valley of the Kings. It consists of 3 beautiful terraces, with records of Hatshepsut preserved in murals and reliefs throughout. Hatshepsut, who excelled in both domestic politics and diplomacy, established peaceful relations with neighboring regions. Among her many achievements, her trade expedition to the land of Punt, depicted in the southwest portico on the middle terrace, is particularly noteworthy. Hatshepsut successfully re-established trade with the land of Punt after several hundred years, and her ships, loaded with abundant gifts, completed the long and dangerous journey across the Red Sea, bringing prosperity to Egypt. On the middle terrace, there are shrines dedicated to the goddess Hathor, who was deeply revered by Hatshepsut, and to the god Anubis, where you can find scenes depicting Hatshepsut offering tributes to the gods. On the upper terrace, a towering statue of Hatshepsut, mummified and created in the form of the god Osiris, was erected as if to guard the innermost shrine of the temple. Amun Shrine is the most sacred area, adorned with a vaulted ceiling painted with blue celestial maps and elaborate murals. At the back of the shrine, a room was constructed to house the statue of Amun, and during the winter solstice, sunlight streams into the shrine, creating a beautifully solemn atmosphere. As evidenced by the accomplishments depicted in her mortuary temple, Hatshepsut, who, despite being a woman, led her people with great ambition as a pharaoh, is remembered as one of the most impressive figures in ancient Egyptian history. World Scan Project conducted 3D scanning to preserve her remarkable achievements and the architectural beauty of ancient Egypt for future generations, allowing people around the world to experience the splendor of this ancient site. Through this initiative, we aim to carry the stories of ancient heritage into the future in the hope that people will connect with, learn from, and be inspired by the past. Scanning historic sites around the world. We are the World Scan Project.